This is the Metabolic Maintenance Metabolic Detox Powder in the vanilla flavor, and I've been using this for about a month or so now. And the reason why I got this is because I used a detox powder from my functional medicine clinic, and I wanted an alternative where I didn't have to rely on the clinic. So I have been pleased with this so far. I've been getting similar results using their protocol, but just switching out this powder. So let me tell you a little bit about this. This is a plant-based protein. It's made with pea, rice, and hemp-based proteins, and it has one serving is 165 calories, 5 grams of fat, 11 grams of carbohydrates, but most of it's fiber. So you get 5 grams of dietary fiber, 3 grams of soluble fiber, and 3 grams of sugars, and you get a whopping 20 grams of protein. So it has lots of vitamins and minerals. It has methylated B vitamins, it has electrolytes, it has things like MCT, ground flaxseed, omega-3 oils, all types of amino acids, milk thistle seed extract, green tea leaf extract, just a really nice blend of ingredients, and just makes it a really good comprehensive protein powder. So what I liked about this is that although it doesn't have a strong vanilla taste, it's kind of plain, so you can add stuff to it. So for instance, in my first morning shake, I'll add a scoop of greens powder to it. The taste is not that great. It's kind of bland. It has a hint of vanilla. It doesn't really taste strong vanilla, but it actually gets better over time. So I guess as you go to whatever your protocol is, I feel like my taste buds change and it actually gets better over time, but it's not a strong flavor and overpowering, which I like. So let me show you the powder. So this is what it looks like, and this is what the scoop looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and make up a serving right now. So I usually do it in a blender bottle. So here's my blender bottle, and just gonna level the scoop. So here's 1 scoop, 2 scoops, put the lid on. I'm just gonna shake it up. The nice thing about this is it's not too gritty. It's pretty smooth overall. I find with some of these types of shakes, they can be a little gritty, but this is not that gritty. So this is what it looks like. It has this beige color. It doesn't have the best smell, but to me, the benefits are most important. And to me, it doesn't taste that bad. I've had worse. It's smooth. Like I said, it's not overpowering or strong. I feel like it's not something I have to choke down. Some of these things you have to choke down. It doesn't give me that effect, but I am definitely pleased with it. I feel like it is very comparable to my shake that I got from my functional medicine clinic, and the benefits have been great for me. So if you're looking for a good detox protein shake, I definitely recommend this one. It's worth checking out.